Hello class, we're doing grade 6, section 7.2, even numbers. Here we're doing numerical expressions with exponents. The point of this lesson is for us to use the order of operations to solve our numerical expressions. Here we start with 7 to the second power, which is a 49. Okay, and then the rest of our problem remains the same. We're going to simplify next, 3 to the second power, and we keep everything else the same. Give us a 9, okay? And then from here, once we've simplified our parentheses and our exponents, our multiplication, our division, we have subtraction and addition left. We start to the far left. This is 40 plus 4, give us a value of 44. Here we have two sets of parentheses, but we must simplify what's in the parentheses in order to get a total value of the parentheses. Within these parentheses, we have an exponent. 8 to the second power is 64. Okay? And over here, 5 to the second power is 25. Now, when we simplify what's within the parentheses, this is 100. 64 plus 36. Divided by 4 times 25 is 100. So 100 divided by 100 is 1. Here we have parentheses and then an exponent outside of the parentheses. So we do what's in the parentheses, and then the value in the parentheses is raised to the third power. So let's take a look. 12 minus 8 is 4. That's raised to the third power. Minus 24 plus 3. 4 raised to the third power is 64 minus 24 plus 3. Okay, 64 minus 24 will give us a 40 plus 3, and so 40 plus 3 is 43. And that is the answer of the value for number 6. All right. On number 8, it asked us to identify where the parentheses should go in order for this to be equal to 135. Well, we must experiment, okay? And in our experimentation, we can start here by saying, okay, 7 to the second power is 49, okay? And if that be the case, if we just started here, we don't need to put parentheses here because it will be first anyway, okay? But let's just imagine if we had the parentheses around here and here. That would be 49 plus 1 would give us a 50. Minus 5 times 3. So this would be 50 minus 5 times 3. Okay? If that be the case, then this would go next because multiplication comes before subtraction. So it would be 50 minus 15. That will not give us a value of 135. Okay? So then let's say if we didn't do that next. What if we let's say if we do 50 minus 5, what would that do? That would give us 45 times 3, and that would give us our 135. So we must be sure we include this in our first step. So here, go here, do all that first. Okay, so we'll do it again. So here we have 49 plus 1, okay, minus 5, that's 50, minus 5, which is 45, then it's times 3, okay, and that gives us a value of 135. So that's where our parentheses should be. Let's look at number 10. Number 10, we have 5 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, okay? So therefore, this is 4, this is 4, and this is 4. Therefore, this is 16, and this is 4. Therefore, this is 64 times 5, and that gives us a value of 320. Okay? That's your lesson. See you in the morning.